it's Faye. Today I'm gonna show you my recovery from my acne scar, age spots, and mole removal laser treatments, which you can watch here. Starting with day 1 of recovery, which is the day after, I got rid of the stickers. These bandages are similar to hydrocolloid acne patches. The concept is similar. Pus comes out to the surface and the sticker turns white. Honestly, I should have left it on for another day or two, but I had to go out that day. So, priorities. Today is the next day and I'm gonna take off my stickers. Hi Mina, because apparently you take them off when they are white. The pus is coming out. Pretty gross. Oh my god. Recovery normally takes up to 2 weeks and more depending on how intense your treatment was. The little bits that look like freckles, that's from the CO2 treatment. Mainly moles, dark spots, and blemishes. The brown patches that you see, that's from discoloration correcting from the IPL. Over the next few days, the aftermath will be there. The doctor told me it was completely normal and fine to put on skincare and makeup on top. Just remember to load up sunscreen. I think one of my biggest mistakes is not avoiding sun exposure. Normally, within the next few weeks, you're supposed to stray away from the sunlight as much as possible. After IPL, your skin is more susceptible to UV rays and can actually worsen any sunspots. Just be aware of sun damage. Even though I didn't take extreme caution, I was still okay, so no worries. Fast forward the 5th day of recovery. My skin was regaining its sturdiness back. The days in between, it did feel itchy and all I wanted to do was scratch my face, but I couldn't, so I would often poke my face with my nails. The IPL spots were coming through as well. They're often described as a coffee ground appearance. Here is the update on my face. So far, starting to peel a little bit down here, and as you can tell, they really started to dry up and scab, so it is brown right now. The progress on my cheek, a lot of them are starting to get to the final steps. Soon I feel like it is going to start peeling. At first it looked like it was going to blister, honestly, like this area and this area, but they're just scabbing now and starting to peel. As you can tell, this piece fell off last night. That's the update on my face. The next day, day 6, I've noticed lots of my scabs have fallen off. There was definitely less than before. Not that I counted, but the ones around my eyes have completely shaken off. Well, excluding that big cockroach looking one. The ones on the sides of my face though, not so much. By day 8, the coffee ground pigment had risen to the surface of my skin. It feels like how it looks, dry and crusty. Quick update on my scabs. I just peeled one off. Oops, it just like came off. Holy crap. They have been falling off easily, so I have to be careful. A lot of the scabs here are gone. So the next day I woke up and realized the little brown spot on my chin had peeled off. Honestly, I feel like I accidentally did this while I was moving around in my sleep, hence the pink flesh. A little worried but not disturbed. I just got done putting on my skincare, so don't mind the dewy skin. Just wanted to show you how bouncy and smooth my skin was around that cockroach. Day 10, I flew from Korea to Japan, and let me tell you, almost all of my CO2 spots fallen off. But look how the cockroach is holding. It is holding on to dear life. The root of it is still glued tight while the edges are flaking off. I want to give you guys an update on this piece. You can tell it's gonna fall off. Like, people are gonna stare at me and they're like, ooh, doesn't it make you want to just pull it off?
I want to shake hands with it.
I didn't put any makeup on it or around it. I tried to stay away from it. You can tell it's like gonna peel off. Oh my god, it's on the edge. That's disgusting. The next day I woke up and realized my cockroach committed suicide while I was sleeping. I don't know what happened, but something definitely went down while I was in La La Land. I was worried because look how pink that flesh looks. Whoops. However, the rest of my face was seemingly clearing up despite a few marks left over on my textured, indented skin. I'm back home. A good month had passed, and I can honestly say I'm very pleased with my skin and the amazing things it can do. There is still a pink mark in memory of my baby cockroach and red spots on my cheeks and chin. Not everything is perfectly clear, but that's perfectly okay. What matters is that my skin looks healthy and youthful. My face is way smoother than before, even though I still have textured patches on my cheeks, which are results from my many years with hormonal acne and sun damage. Would you guys like to see an updated skincare routine? Like this video and let me know. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are struggling with acne. I'm always here to help you. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye!